Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. My name is Ms. Harshila Srivastav. My roll number is 148. Sri Shivaji Law College, Parvani. Subject is Constitutional Law 2, and my topic is Judicial Review. Today we are going to see Article 226 and 227. Article 226 and 227 are parts of the Constitution which define the powers of High Court. Article 226 empowers the High Court to issue to any person or authority including the government in appropriate cases, directions, orders, or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, certiorari, or any of them. What are writs? Habeas corpus. A simple dictionary meaning of the writ habeas corpus is a writ requiring a person under arrest of illegal detention to be brought before the judge or to the court, especially to secure the person's release unless lawful grounds are shown for their detention. Second one is mandamus, a writ issued as command of an inferior court or ordering a person to perform a public or statutory duty. Now third one is prohibition. Prohibition. A writ of prohibition is issued primarily to prevent an inferior court or tribunal from exceeding its jurisdiction in case pending before it or acting contrary to rules of natural justice. Quo warranto. This simply means by what warrant. This reads is issued to inquire into the legality of claims of a person or public office. It restrained the person or authority to act in an office which he or she is not entitled to and thus stops usurpation of public offices by anyone. This writ is applicable to the public offices only and not to private offices. Certiorari. Certiorari literally it means to be certified. The writ of certiorari can be issued by the Supreme Court or any high court for quashing the order already passed by inferior courts, tribunal or quasi-judicial authority. The High Court is conferred with this power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for enforcement of any of the fundamental rights conferred by Part 3 of Constitution or for any other purpose. Article 227 determines that every high court shall have superintendence over all courts and tribunals throughout the territories in relation to which it exercises jurisdictions. Now this is case law. Radhe Sham and Ernst versus Chabinath and ORS in 2015, the Constitutional Bench of Honorable Supreme Court comprising of H.L. Dattu, CJI, Sikri J and A.K. Goyal. J was placed with the matter in order to consider the correctness of law laid down in Surya Devi Rai versus Ramchandar Rai. The Honorable Court observed that this court unfortunately discerns with Surya Devi Rai versus Ramchandra Rai that of late there is a growing trend among several high courts to entertain writ petition in cases of pure property disputes. Disputes relating to partition suits, matter relating to execution of decree, in cases of dispute between landlord and tenants, also in case of money decree, in various other cases where dispute questions of property are involved. Writs courts are entertaining such disputes. In some cases, the High Courts in routine manner entertains petition under Article 227 over such disputes and such petitions are treated as writs petition. Thank you. ओ हो गया सुने क्या गुड्डू, ए गुड़िया,
हो गया? हम्म?
4 मिनट 53 सेकंड.
ठीक है.
कॉम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं.